Good morning, Jackson. Did you have a good night's sleep? Yes. Did Mommy have a good night's
sleep?
No.
Did Daddy have a good night's sleep?
No.
Did Grandma and Grandpa have a good night's sleep?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
So we're thinking that maybe Jackson wants to sleep in his room.
How do I stop this?
There are like 4 diapers.